In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello with GitHub for automatic PR and commit tracking. Start by heading to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the board where you want GitHub activity to appear. If you're already inside the right board, you can go straight to the next part. Look for the Power-Ups option on the board menu and click it. Power-Ups are what Trello uses to add integrations and extra features. So this is where the GitHub connection begins. After that, click Add Power-Ups so you can browse available integrations for this board. In the search bar, type GitHub. When the GitHub Power-Up appears in the results, click Add to enable it. This installs the integration on the current Trello board and makes the GitHub connection available for use. Give it a moment if it takes a few seconds to load. Once the GitHub Power-Up has been added, open its settings. This is the important part because adding the Power-Up alone does not fully connect your GitHub account yet. Inside the settings, click Authorize. Trello will then prompt you to link your GitHub account so the integration can access the information needed for tracking commits and pull requests. Next, click the option to link your GitHub account. You'll be taken to GitHub's sign-in page. If you're not already signed in, log into your GitHub account, then continue to the authorization screen. Here, GitHub will ask you to approve Trello Power-Ups. Click Authorize Trello Power-Ups to finish the connection. Once that's done, your Trello board is connected to GitHub. That means Trello can now work with GitHub activity like commits and pull requests, making it easier to keep development work and project tracking in sync. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip here, make sure you're connecting the correct GitHub account, especially if you use more than one for personal and work projects. It's also a good idea to confirm you're adding the Power-Up to the correct Trello board, because Power-Ups are enabled per board, not across your entire workspace by default. If the authorization window doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the board or reopening the Power-Up settings and clicking Authorize again. In some browsers, pop-up blockers can also interrupt the sign-in flow, so keep that in mind if the GitHub login page doesn't open. And that's it. Your Trello and GitHub connection is now set up, and you're ready to use automatic tracking to keep your board updated with your development workflow.